My name's Kevin with Hotshot Repair, and today I'm looking at my Galaxy S5. It's been having an issue where I can't charge it, or it charges unreliably, or it'll disconnect and reconnect to the charger kind of continuously. I'm going to see if soldering the pins, laying a layer of solder over each pin to try to raise it up, may help the issue before I remove the screen and replace the charger port altogether. Removing the screen on a Galaxy S5 is very dangerous because the screen has a layer of adhesive right behind the LCD, and as you try to remove it, you tend to tear the LCD apart, getting it off of its middle plate. So I want to try all my options first to try to eliminate them, and then I'll move on to replacing the dock port and possibly the LCD if it breaks when I remove it. So I've heated up my micro pencil, and we're going to try to carefully lay a layer of solder over each pin without melting the plastic beneath it, and see if we can lift it up enough to where it makes contact with the charger, and see if that's the issue. If that fails to fix the problem, then it's probably a broken pin on the inside of the charger port, on the inside of the phone, that I would usually just either, replace the USB port or replace the whole assembly itself, the whole daughter board. So, with that in mind, get the micro pencil out, layer of flux, a little nervous. I'm just going to start with this one first. Kind of want to steady the phone against the desk. Kind of like a clamp. Focus in on that. Tell you the truth, I'm not too sure how well this is going to work. This is kind of a last-ditch effort before I move on to replacing the charger port in this thing. I'm probably going to break the charger port altogether. I don't think there's any way that's going to work. My phone will probably no longer charge. Give it a try. It's still charging. And it's not, let's see. Still charging. And if I wiggle the cord, don't make me a liar here, it doesn't seem to lose connection. So for right now, that'll save the screen. But I don't know how reliable that's going to be. Ideally, I think I'd replace the whole charger port, but this will probably get me through until I either replace the phone or decide to take a chance on it. At least it's not losing the charge. It's not losing connection. It still seems like it's connected to the computer via data, so I can still transfer from it. I'd say that's good enough for now. I'll let you know how it goes.